Hey, buddy. Are you building a house in this bush? In my spruce? Yeah, look at that birdie. She's pretty. This piece is good for the house, huh? Yeah, show me where you're gonna go. Yes, I go up here. Yeah, so I put it in there. I'm making a nest. Lucy, she's making a nest. Did you see it?